bye-bye, bye-bye.
He really goes above and beyond, and he sees the details, and he's so diligent, very reliable.
I like doing a job and instantly seeing the results, which you don't get from a lot of other jobs.
He really stands out as a really hard worker, and he's got a great personality as well.
I think having a clean environment for the kids here is almost as important as a teacher's job.
He was working at the beginning of the school year so hard, doing all of the work that he could to really make sure that we had a presentable campus that felt safe, felt clean.
It's important to have a clean environment so the kids have some sort of pride in their school, that the hallways are clean, the bathrooms are clean, the walls are clean, the classrooms are clean.